Good morning.
Morning.
Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
My name's Bill. I'm from Troy, Illinois.
Okay, and is this the first time you've participated in our show?
Actually, it's the ninth.
Wow, okay. Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
Yes, it's a 32 Ford Highboy Roadster. It's got a 350 Chevy motor in it. It was in the Builder Showcase at the Louisville NSRA show, and it's done very well at the local shows too.
Awesome. That was my next question. How many, and can you tell me a little bit about the trophies you've won?
Yes, this is a relatively new car. The one I had before got demolished by an unintended driver. But this car's been in about 9 shows. It's either got the first or the best show. All of those have the first, second, third. It's done very well.
Awesome. So tell me, what's your favorite aspect about this show?
This show, well, really, Jim Connors is such an ambassador for the city of Mascoutah. He's at every cruise, and he just beats the bushes with his flyers to get things going here, and he really works tirelessly for this show. My favorite thing for the show, though, however, is the cross-section of people you have. You have not only a big diversity of cars, but the people. I enjoy talking to people about the cars, and it's just a real nice event.
Great. Let me ask you this. You plan on coming back next year?
Absolutely.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Good morning. Can you tell me your first name and where you're from?
Kenneth Irwin from Aveston, Illinois.
Awesome. Is this your first time at this
No,
car
ma'am.
show? About how many times have you been here?
I think since I started.
Wow. Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
I'm the second owner.
Okay.
I knew where the car was sold, where it's been its life, and where it was traded back in. It was sold in '72, traded back in '89, and that's when I got it. And then we stored it for a while, and I gathered parts for it. And then when I started this car, I did not have to go outside the shop one time to get a part.
Wow.
It was all in-house. My son and I did it at home. And we replaced a lot of sheet metal. And it has the original interior in it. And it was painted at Breeze, Illinois.
Okay. And what kind of car is it?
It's a 1972 Mustang.
Perfect. Have you ever won a trophy for any of your entries?
I've got a wall fall at home.
Really? That's awesome.
There's probably 30 trophies on the shelf back there.
Okay. You think you'll be back next year to participate again?
Absolutely.
Great. Love to hear
As
it.
the weather is, because the car don't get wet.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm Matt with Hamlin Auto Upholstery in New Baden.
So is this your first time here?
Yeah,
Participating?
Yeah, it's our first time participating, and actually first time being to the show was pretty cool.
Yeah. And have you had a lot of people stop by already? It's early, but
Yeah, it's early, but yeah, there's been quite a few people stopping by and kind of feeling it out, I guess.
awesome. How many shows have you done in the past?
We've done a handful. We started doing shows in 2021 and just kind of doing 1 or 2 a year.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
I'm Mike and I am from Lebanon, Illinois.
Okay. Have you participated in the show before?
Yes, I've been coming since 2015.
Okay. And can you tell us a little bit about your car?
This is a 1996 Pontiac Firebird, all original except for the wheels. It was my everyday driver for many years. I now have 148,000 miles on it. And, I love driving it. It's a fun drive.
Yeah. Have you won any trophies?
I have. I've been fortunate each year to have an award.
Wow. Can you tell us your favorite part of this show in particular?
My favorite part of this show is it's not just a car show. They're the activities that are around here. There's something to do besides staying at your car all day long, which helps the time go by a little bit faster.
Great. You plan on coming back next year?
First one on my calendar.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Jim Connor, Chairman of the Fall Fest Car Show. If you participated in last year's show, we would like to thank you. It was the biggest and best so far. If you didn't participate, we'd like to invite you to join us at this year's show to be held on the third Saturday in October in downtown Mascoutah. We are working hard to make sure that this year's show is even bigger and better. Based on last year's attendance, we have rebalanced the classes and added some new ones. If you would like to know more about our show, our contact information follows this video. Thank you, and we hope to see you in October.